So today we're going to look at how to resolve driver issues within Windows 10. So I've updated my graphics driver and I'm having problems with it. So what you need to do is go to your Windows logo, right click, go to Device Manager, and then expand the Display Adapter section. Right click on the graphics card, go down to Properties, and then click on the Driver tab, and then go down to Rollback Driver. Just left click on that, and then it'll ask you what the reason is you're rolling back the driver. Choose one from the list. Once you've selected one, click Yes and click OK. And then if you click Close, and as you can see now in Device Manager, the actual driver has changed.